viewers, I am super excited today to bring this amazing news to you. If you have been trying to relocate to Canada with your family, this is the opportunity you need to jump on right now. It is very hot, it is massive. This particular village, rural community in the province of Alberta has opened its door not just for foreign applicants, for overseas applicants, people that are not in Canada, people that are outside Canada. It is expressly stated on their website. I'm going to show you now. Now, whether you are a skilled labor or an unskilled labor, if you are a cook, cleaner, a caregiver, an accountant, an engineer, a pharmacist, a tailor, a painter, whatever sector you are in, you are needed in this community. And specifically, if you are outside Canada, you are needed. Let me read it to you. Non-Canadian residents who are interested in obtaining permanent residency by living and working within the city of Grande Prairie should visit. So I'm going to take you through this program, the requirements, the steps you need to take, and everything you need to know about how to apply for this program. I'm going to take you through. You don't want to miss any part of this. Immediately you're done with this video, you have to just get to work immediately. If you're on this channel and you're not able to move to Canada this year, then you can't blame me for that, because I'm trying my best to give you hot gist that can assist your journey. Please, you want to subscribe to this channel for more are coming. A lot of rural communities are opening up their borders, so you want to subscribe. Please give me a like for this amazing opportunity I brought your way, just to encourage me. Thank you. I have some people asking me on the comment section, I have applied, I'm not getting response. My first applications for now, and jump on this, because this is more direct. These employers that I'm going to show you, they are specific. When you get a job offer with them, you are obviously on your way to becoming a permanent resident, because it is so easy and direct. So the government of this community is saying you should not pay any employer. So you are getting this job for free. You are not supposed to pay any employer. It is absolutely free. And if any employer is asking you for money, they have put a number for you to call. So you just call the government straight and report that employer, this person is asking me for money. So they are damn serious that no employer should extort you or get any money from you before they can give you that job. So we are not buying COS here. It's absolutely free. Employers and employment agencies cannot charge employees fees for a job or employment offer. So call the Alberta government information lines at 310000. So I'm going to leave the link in the comment section or in the description of the video. So the eligibility criteria: to be eligible to the rural renewal stream and work in the city of Grande Prairie, candidates must meet a series of criteria: receive an offer for a full-time permanent position from an eligible employer, get endorsed by the Grande Prairie Rural Renewal Partnership, and apply using the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program portal. So what are the application process? This is for the employer. The employer applies for partnership, so we don't have any business with step 1 and 2. It's for the employers, and the employers I will be showing you, they have passed these 2 stages for you. So the next thing you need to do right now is to apply for job. The job you're applying for is already stated. The employer that will give you that job is stated. So that's why I said this is a direct opportunity. It's not, you are not beating about the bush. You are applying to the person that is bringing you to Canada directly. All you need to do is to get a job offer from an eligible employer. We have massive employer, a lot of them that are already eligible. They've been appointed by the community to bring you into Canada. So stick around with me. I'm going to show you the list of those employers and the job opportunities. A lot of them. So this job offer must have a minimum of 30 hours per week. You must work for a minimum of 30 hours per week. Then you must work for this employer for at least 12 months. That is 1 year. You must have this job contract for at least 12 months. If your job offer is a remote job, you are not eligible. If it is a part-time, casual or seasonal employment, it is not eligible. So it has to be a full-time permanent opportunity that at least you will have to work for the employer for 12 months. No. Then after you must have gotten your job offer, you're going to apply to this community for an endorsement letter. Now, after your endorsement letter must have been issued, candidates apply for provincial nomination. After you must have applied for it, you apply for immigration and work in Grande Prairie. That means you apply for your permanent residence. You see that the process is so easy and it's so direct. I just want to advise you, if you do not have your high health, just start preparing. Just prepare your mind that you might need to write it. It is not required now, but probably when you start your application, some countries may be exempted, but you never can tell. Just prepare your mind in case you have to write it. This community begin to accept application from August 13th. They will open their website for applications on the 13th of August. Target this period. After that, they will close it, review those ones. By September 10th, they are going to open up again for another set of applications. And October 8th, November 5th, till December 10th, 2024. So what are you waiting for? You have this application window. Now, let me buttress more. They said application in 2024 will be accepted monthly by the provincial government on the following dates. So they will start accepting application from the 13th of August 2024, and they will accept application till December 10th, 2024. That's when they will end the application acceptance for the year 2024. Now, what does that mean? I took you through the process, and I told you the first thing you need to do is to get a job offer. So you get your job offer. You don't have to wait till 13th of August. What is today's date? Today is 8th of August. You don't have to wait till 13th. Get your job offer. Start applying. As soon as you're done with this video, start applying to those employers I will be showing you in a jiffy. So if you are able to get a job offer before 13th of August, you know you are prepared for this application. So on the 13th of August, they will open their portal. You submit your application with your job offer. So they will review it and send you an email that you should proceed to apply for your provincial nomination. And after that, your permanent residency. So if you're unable to meet up with this, with that of 13th of August, you keep applying. When you get your job offer, if you are able to get your job offer before 10th of September, you will be able to submit your application on the 10th of September, and so on and so forth till 10th of December, which will be the last application intake for the year 2024. I hope you understand that. If you don't understand, you can drop your concerns for me in the comment section. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get to see those jobs that are available and those companies. So I'm going to drop the link of these employers in the description of this video. These are the qualified employers, and you have to scroll down, and when you get here, you can see that these jobs are very hot. They were recently updated on the 24th of July 2024. So these are jobs that are readily available, and they are qualified employers with current qualified vacancies updated on the 24th of July 2024. So you want to click this place. So finally, this is the list of the qualified employers and the jobs available. We have cook, driver. Are you a driver? Front desk associate, food service supervisor. Are you a cashier? Food courier attendant, nail care technician, siding installer, specialized cleaner. Are you a cleaner? Auto detailer, client care worker. This is if you are a support worker or you are a caregiver, they need you here. Are you an housekeeper? You don't even need a qualification to apply for this. Are you a restaurant supervisor, a server, an automotive detailer, program director? That's for childcare. This is a very long list that I cannot exhaust. That's why I said it's a massive, massive one. A lot of you coming to my DM and saying, I'm a cleaner, I'm an electrician, a nurse, I'm a pharmacist, I'm this, I'm that. Please, for now, jump on this opportunity right now. More, I'm going to post more. In fact, I have a good number of communities that are opening up right now. So just stay tuned. If you have not subscribed, I don't know what you are waiting for. And please give me likes, please, to encourage me. Now we have sales associate, food counter attendants, automotive mechanic helpers, computer network technician, food retail and commercial audio video installation technician, retail sales associate, civil engineering technologist, painter, barber, line cook, auto body technician, community disability service worker. If you are a support worker, caregiver, please, cook, electrician, painter, engineer, jump on it. Fracturing operator, cashier, retail store cashier, office administrator, sales associate, retail, cleaning supervisor. If you are a cleaner, barrister, food counter attendant, cook, hosts and hostesses, bar manager, kitchen helper, bartender, housekeepers, retail sales associate, accounting technician, retail sales associate, pharmacy aide, front desk agent, lubrication technician, housekeeping, room attendant, supervisor. I can't read out everything. It is so much. Car rental clerk, cashier, tire technician. If you can make a vulcanizer, we call them vulcanizer here, you are needed. If you know anyone, any member of your family doing that, please let them take advantage. Line cook, security supervisor. If you are a security guard, this is an opportunity for you. It is massive, both skilled and unskilled. If you are a driver, a day receiver, hotel housekeeper, it's so much. Construction helper, early childhood educator, automobile body repairer helper, food service supervisor, cashier, cook, nail care technician, client care worker, caregivers. If you want to go through it, I'm going to drop the link in the description of the video, and look out for the one that you want and start sending your CV to this. How do you now apply for these jobs? Let me tell you. So let me take the first one as an example. The first one here says sales associate. If you are a sales associate, all you need to do to apply, the name of the employer is right here. This is the name of the employer. For sales associate, the employer is 711 Canada Incorporation. So all you need to do is just copy this name, the name of this company, and go to your Google, put it in there, and it will take you to the website of this particular company. Go to their career page. Maybe I should even cite an example, but I don't want the video to be too long. If you're having any issue, let me know. Go to their website. When you get to the website, go to their career page, then look out for this particular opportunity. It will be on their website. Look out for sales associate. Click on the apply button and send in your application right now. As soon as you're done with this video, get into work. I am so optimistic that most of you on this channel, you will come back to share your testimonies, because this is going to work this time. Please get to work right now. I wish you the best of luck till I see you in my next video. Thank you.